Hey there, welcome back to Tech24. Today, we're taking a look at the Dyson Ball Animal 3 Extra Upright Vacuum Cleaner. This powerful vacuum is engineered for larger homes with pets, and it's designed to remove dirt and pet hair from all around your home. One of the standout features of this vacuum is its de-tangling technology, which automatically clears wrapped hair from the brush bar as you clean. It also comes with specialized pet tools, including a pet groom tool for medium and long-haired pets, and a tangle-free turbine tool for removing pet hair from upholstery. And Cars.The ball technology allows you to navigate around obstacles with a simple turn of the wrist, making it easy to maneuver around your home. Plus, with 3 cleaning modes and 5 Dyson-engineered accessories, you have complete control over your clean. Not only does this vacuum deliver exceptional cleaning performance, but it also features advanced whole machine filtration to ensure that particles are trapped inside the machine. And with a 5-year warranty and lifetime Dyson customer support, you can have peace of mind knowing that you're investing in a high-quality product. So, if you're looking for a powerful and effective vacuum cleaner that's perfect for homes with pets, be sure to check out the Dyson Ball Animal 3 Extra Upright Vacuum Cleaner. You can find the link to purchase in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if you found this review helpful. Thanks for watching and happy cleaning.